Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We are checking out the All-Clad hard anodized non-stick dishwasher safe frying pans. So let's go ahead. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why these ones outshine the competition, and we're going to go ahead and kick it off right about now. So the number 5 reason, I've used these for a while, and for me, I've had no issues with the coating coming off. Some of your more budget pans, that coating's going to come off real quick. So they all start off great with non-stick, but if they aren't built to last, they aren't built to last. These are anodized, which means that the non-stick coating is really going to grab on to the pan itself, and it's not going to come off very easily. Now, of course, you're going to want to use kind of your rubberized cookware with it to make sure it lasts the longest amount of time it can, but this is a great product that's built to last. The number 4 reason to pick this up, and I got to go into a little more detail about the fact that this is anodized aluminum. That's aluminum that's undergone the anodizing process to enhance the product's durability, corrosion resistance, and aesthetic value. Anodizing is forming strong, hard, and stable oxygen. It's a way of making the aluminum stronger and just making it last longer and keeping it from breaking down. So when you see that something is anodized, it's a bigger process, but that product's probably going to last a lot longer. And that's important. The number 3 reason to pick this up is because you're getting an All-Clad product. All-Clad is one of those brands that is a premier brand. You're getting something that won't break your pocketbook, won't break the bank, because you're getting it from Amazon with Amazon Prime. But All-Clad is one that people are going to see, and they're going to know that you mean business. It's one that they use in professional kitchens. It's got a heavy gauge of anodized cookware, and it offers 3 layers of safe, PFOA-free, non-stick, and long-lasting release. This stuff is fantastic. It's oven safe for up to 500 degrees. It's anti-warp, and it's has stainless steel as well. All right, folks, that's a big selling point for me, and I think it will be for you as well. Now, what's the number 2 reason to pick this up? Because it's dishwasher safe. I swore that I won't pick up pots, pans, knives that aren't dishwasher safe. We all love our dishwashers. It saves us so much time. Don't find yourself with a beautiful set of cookware that you never use because you don't want to have to hand wash them. This is easy to clean, has great heat distribution, great versatility, and you know what? You can clean them simply and easily. So that's a big selling point for me. So I've already explained to you that this is a top-end product. This compares with all the big, impressive brands. It's a good one. But what's the number 1 reason you should pick it up? And it's because of the heat distribution. Let me explain. Good heat distribution in a pan is going to keep certain areas from burning. If you put a steak in that pan, you don't want one side to be raw and one piece to be leather. This has even heat distribution because they made it with quality products and they've made it the appropriate thickness. So if you're looking for something that's going to even the heat out throughout the pan, then this is a great non-stick skillet or pan for you. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I try to give you very thorough and detailed products, show it to you up close like you just picked it up, let you know what the advantages and even the disadvantages are. There are products that are going to be a little bit lighter on the pocketbook, but when it comes down to it, this one's built to last. This one's a long-term solution, and you're getting All-Clad, and the All-Clad store on Amazon provides some great products so you can do your entire kitchen in All-Clad. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products I own and I love, and guess what? I love this one, and you will too. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.